the one that mostly does all that. But anyway, so
had to learn it somewhere, right?
I guess you're right. You had to learn it somewhere. Good morning, guys. It is Friday, February the 23rd, and we have purchased new blinds for the RV. Those old, blinds that come with the RV. They're the ones that are layered and they're kind of like accordion blinds. They're very nice to have, but they didn't stand up to our punishment. So we're having to replace them with regular house blinds, and we're only replacing 2 today. Hopefully we'll be able to replace the ones in the bedroom soon. But anyway, so that's what John's up to. He's removing the old pieces and putting up the new blinds. And we got the room darkened. I guess they're room darkening. They kind of filter out the sunlight. Which is good. That way, if you want it dark, it can be dark. But anyway, so tell me how long your blinds have lasted you, your RV accordion blinds. So guys, today we bought new blinds, and John put them up. Our little handyman put them up. He's the one that mostly does all that. But anyway, so
had to learn it somewhere, right?
I guess you're right. You had to learn it somewhere. So anyway, yep, we replaced the old RV blinds and put regular house blinds in here. So that's what the job was today.
I'm planning on taking that RV work seriously tomorrow, and I'm taking that radiator out of the generator. For the generator, I'm going to take that radiator out and see if I can fix that hole in that generator. So maybe I can vlog a little of that tomorrow. I hope I can. But anyway,
because we're going to be getting ready to leave out.
Yep.
Sunday morning, Dallas, Georgia, and we'll be there a day or two, and then we'll be back down here to prepare to go to Nashville.
Yeah.
So I want to thank you guys for watching, and subscribe if you have not, and share this video and give us thumbs up.
And if you're still breathing,
there's still hope.